Okay guys, so this is going to be our body paragraph review. So if you're not sure what you need to include in your body paragraph, you can go back and listen to this as many times as you need to so that it makes sense. So I know we've talked about body paragraphs before, but today I'm going to give you an acronym, just like we had with our introduction, to hopefully help us remember the three important things that we really want to include in our body paragraphs. So this acronym is going to be ACE, A-C-E. Does anybody have an idea of what the A in ACE might stand for? What do we think the A in ACE could possibly stand for? What's the first thing that we're going to want to do in our body paragraph? Gianna? It is answer, yes, great job. So we want to answer, we want to provide an answer of something that will support our thesis statement. So for our answer, that's also going to be our topic sentence. And in a couple minutes, we'll talk some more about different ways that we can organize our body paragraph. What do we think that our C could possibly stand for? What does our C stand for? Any ideas? We talked about this a couple minutes ago. McKenna. Not conflict. You might talk about the conflict in your topic sentence, but what do we want to include in our body paragraph? Okay, I'm going to go to Astrid. What do you think our C could stand for? Cite what? Yes, we want to make sure that we're citing evidence from the text. Also, don't forget to include a transition to introduce it. Okay. Finally, our E in ACE. What will that E stand for? I'm going to go with Kenny. What do we want to do after we found our evidence? We've cited our evidence. After we have our evidence, what do we need to do with that evidence? Do you want to try again or phone a friend? Phone a friend. Who are you going to phone? I'm going to phone Larry. Yeah, explain why your evidence is important. Explain or elaborate on your evidence. Okay, so if you can remember ACE, hopefully that will help you to think about what you want to include in each of your body paragraphs. And I'll make that look a little better for us. Now, we need to think about how we're going to organize these body paragraphs. Okay, so Matt's going to tell us about our first option for how we could organize our body paragraphs. Okay, so each paragraph can focus on one literary element. And if we choose this option, you'll be writing about both texts in each paragraph. So you will need to have evidence from both on Turning 10 and 11. Okay, what might be our second option? What could be another way? If we don't want to focus on one literary element per paragraph, what could we do instead? Okay, Andre's going to tell us a little bit about your second option. How could we organize each of our body paragraphs? Okay, so it is a compare and contrast essay, so each paragraph could focus on one text. You would need evidence for all literary elements, though. So hopefully that helps you to remember what you need to do to have a strong body paragraph.